Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a grind 75 hard question that I just resolved on my own after a long time. So I'm really happy about this, and I'm super glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this problem without any assistance after about over a year, I would say, is the last time I solved it correctly. You see some attempts here, but again, I'm just glad that I was able to do it completely on my own and solve this problem without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. This one's maximum frequency stack. Basically, it's pretty simple. Keep appending to the rear of the stack and then return the most frequent element on the stack and the one that's the most right. So let's go ahead and create a stack, append value, and let's print self.cur. So this is pretty self-explanatory. Just keep appending to the rear of the stack until you can't. And then we want to keep track of the most frequent element. So I just said, let's just create a counter and then reflect that change in the value. And then now, because we want the rightmost element, why don't we just loop from the right to the left instead of left to right, right? And then we can just ask in every iteration, basically, that's what this is doing. If self.c, self.curve I, basically if this is going to be the biggest, which we're going to define the biggest as the max of the values, because let's say the dictionary is 3, 5, 2, 3, then that's going to be the biggest out of all the values. That's what this is. And then in that case, we know we're getting the rightmost because, again, we're going from right to left instead of left to right. Okay, and then in that case, we can just pop that current element, and that's it. And then we just return this particular value that we just popped. In this case, it would be 5 because 5 is the biggest frequency and it's the rightmost. So we would just pop this, and this would be the rest of our array after this. Okay, so the other thing, we also have to reflect this change inside of our dictionary because this is right here in the constructor. That makes things a little faster because most of the API calls are to pop and push. This is just saying if, let's say this is 1, and then 0. If we see it 0 times, we just delete the whole key value pair from the hash map. Okay, so let's run this. Let's do this. Self.c. Self.cur I is equal to biggest. Okay. Typo. Oh, self.c.values. That's the hash map. Okay. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super glad that I was able to solve this question completely on my own for, what, the 10th time after over a year. So again, I'm super happy about this. And even though the runtime and memory are not great, this channel represents my own work. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.